Ain't even gotta impress me. If the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing, as if you wasn't eating me for breakfast. Stop talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who mess up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish.
3 things that help my wigs last for about 2 weeks. It got to be glue, the spray, and the Wonder Lace Bond. And I promise y'all my wigs be lasting 2 weeks. Now I don't know if it can last 3 weeks because I be ready to take this wig off. I don't know why. I feel like after honestly a week, I just be ready to take it off. But sometimes I just let it last for about 2 weeks. Now I don't know if it can last 3 weeks. I might try that out, but I just hate wigs. I just hate wearing wigs for too long.
Oh, tattoos matching, make me snort while I'm laughing. Put me on your lap while we in the backseat. Black trunk over to the places we eat. I'ma make it better. Neck wet like Pellegrino. I'ma make you shine, Johnny. They know when we know. We gon' make a movie real bad, Tarantino. Take you right up out of them chinos. You gon' spend the night, wake up icing cappuccinos. I'll open up in Vegas, then we honeymoon in Reno. Got me down bad, baby, feeling for your Pino. Baby, don't distract me. Call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. Am I the ending in your map? Like, what's the point of coming back? I'm down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me snort while I'm laughing. Put me on your lap while we in the backseat. Black truck over to the places we eat.
Right here is where I messed up at, but it's fixable. You're really supposed to cut this part first before you spray the glue, but instead, I don't know why I waited to do this part last. So I don't know if I mentioned it. If you guys watch my vlog, if you don't, I recently chopped off my whole hair a day before my birthday. My birthday is on Christmas, so Christmas Eve, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my hair, and I was going through a little depression. So I had the scissors in my hand. I really was supposed to chop off the ends just a little bit, but I decided to chop off the whole hair, bald, couldn't even braid it. Now I could braid it a little bit, so that's why hair is like an afro.
Remember used to drive you calm, pick up on all of you call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? When I stand with the roof gone, I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on, like you haul, and I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide, put me in the main, tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love you, babe. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe. What would I do? Go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide, put me in the man, tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed today. I know it's
lace wear. Now certain parts you can see the lace, but once you use this right here, you're not gonna see the lace at all. And I only spray a little bit. So I ain't gonna lie, I had this spray for about 2 to 3 years, only because I spray it once. Like, I don't overdo it like how I use the Got To Be spray. As you guys can see, you don't see the lace anymore. You don't see the little white part. And I honestly feel like Got To Be glue and this spray right here works wonder for me. You don't need expensive glues for your wigs to last. Now, I know you guys see that the middle part is over bleached, but I promise you that is least of your troubles. I didn't have any like spray or makeup or mascara to fix it up, but the next day I did fix it up. So this is fixable. Just don't over bleach your wigs like I did. I think I bleached my wigs for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I honestly feel like you just gotta bleach it for like 8 minutes and that's it. Okay, so the way I did my hair did not come out how I pictured it. Now I'm gonna put a picture up on how I really wanted my hair, but I don't know why it just didn't come out the same. I don't know if it's because the hair is just not fuller. Like, I thought 180 would be good for me, but I guess I should have got 200 to make it fuller. But I also did want a natural look. Okay, so even though the hair didn't come out how I wanted, wig is still a 10 out of 10. And this is actually my second time purchasing a wig from this company. Thank you guys for watching.